Yay! How many birds? How many birds? Clap your hands! Something inside? Yes. Now, where is the birthday girl? Can you point her? Happy birthday, Harriet! Yay! Yan, stand over here. Face the audience. Face your classmate. Yan, I want you to hold the magic rose. Okay, now. Harriet, stand. Put it in. Just make sure it's inside, okay? Now, Lucas, tap the bag. 1, 2, 3. And the rabbit come out. Anday, sabi ko lagay mo na sa loob eh. Open it! Yeah! You broke it again. Palit na lang, okay? Hawakan mo to, Lucas. And Anday, hawakan mo tong mic. Yay! Rabbit, say hi, Rabbit! Yan. Who wants to touch the rabbit? Ano yun? Mini-miss you. Sabihin mo na malakas yung pangalan mo. By the way, my name is Ray. Isa akong magician. Hi! My name is Ray. I'm the magician. I am the ventriloquist. And you are the puppet. Tama? Tama! Kilala mo ako? Kilala na kita. Sino ko? Lolo ko. Ano lo? Oh yeah! Police! O kaya, a teacher. Oh yeah! Teacher! Alam mo ba kung bakit tayo nandito? Oh yeah! Kilala mo yung celebrator? Oh yeah! What's her name? Kay Mami Bea. Ha? Si Mami Bea. Nandito siya. Ay, nasabi mo. Mami! Mami! Thank you for inviting us here. 0995-387-6481. Ano yun? Gcash na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.